I make myself a return so this way nothing drips out of this end. I take a tool to hold the hose and the clamp. I place my irrigation hose right here, nice and deep. Take your time, slide it on. And I have here is those sensors. I place my watering container and I got myself an irrigation system that's going to water my little greenhouse. Make sure you're able to get to your system so you can change the time properly. This is a solar drip irrigation system 15-piece for indoor and outdoor gardening. It's a watering system for your plants like I have here on the side. So what we're going to do is show you what you get inside the box. This is the 200 watt 2200 milliamp 3.7 volt at 1 watt pushing out 400 ml of water. On the back will be where you put your swivel tripod mount. It can either be mounted onto a wall where you could get the sun nice and high, a fence, or stake it into the ground. They give you the supplied anchors and screws. They are not stainless steel, but they do the job. On the unit itself, it has here are 2 pieces of metal, and they will touch the water and make sure they stay at the bottom of the water just about like so, that when you put this irrigation valve on the bottom that sucks up the water with the 2 marble weights, it will say, hey, I'm low on water, will shut off and won't work. On here you have T's, 15 of them, along with right angle stakes that go into the ground, and you're given enough hose, 49 feet. If you want to run more than that, if you cut your hose too short or whatever mistakes you make, you can go online and order more. You get a long enough cable that can be disconnected, and all the controls are right here. You got your in valve and out valve, and you got your timer setting by hitting the number of buttons there. So what we're going to go do is go set this up at my raised garden bed. It is not the season yet, but we can get started in setting up for planting. You have a 12-hour and 24-hour watering cycle, and you have a 5, a 10, and a 20. When you press the mode button for the 12 hours, it means that it'll produce the water once for 5 minutes every 12 hours. So if you want to water for 24 hours each day for 5 minutes, you go to the 24 and you put it for 5 minutes at each day, 10 minutes each day, 20 minutes each day, and that's what that means. This is where this is going to sit into a bucket. You're going to take the hose, and it's going to be a little difficult at first. As you can see, I'm trying to get over the wide angle. And just take your time. You slide it on as far as you can go. Give it a little pull, and it shouldn't come off. Measure your depth that you want. Place into a watering bucket. The sensors go into the watering bucket as well, so it can sit towards the bottom the best it can. The water is going to come up and into the solar panel. So this is where you want to have your hose, the correct length, and slides on. And the other hose you're going to plug into the out like so. This is where it's going to drip out of. It's not going to spray, so you're going to take a hose and you're going to place on. You're going to put a T on if you want to do more than one. And when you want to just basically close everything up, what you're going to do is take a hose. This will stop the water from continuing forward. We then take the unit and we go to the plant. We place it in as far down as we want so it gets to the roots. We turn our unit on. We set it up for 5 minutes, 24 hours by hitting the mode. And I am pumping water, as you can see, the unit working. And if you want to see this actually draining into the plant, there it is, right there. Now this will run for 5 full minutes. And what we're going to go do is go outside and hook this up. I'm going to watch my carrot grow, my garlic. Oh, even my radish is coming out. Look at that. Oh, yes, indeed. Way to go, irrigation system. Do a great job. If you don't want the thing to water and you don't want to get up there, just pull the sensors out and the unit will shut off. I hope this video was helpful to all. I hope you enjoy your water drip irrigation 15-piece set that you can take care of your garden, vacationing, inside, outside plants whenever possible.